Hello and welcome to Spoiled by Coco. For making brownies, let us first weigh in our butter and dark chocolate chips or chunks. You can either use the salted or the unsalted butter. Please skip the salt if you are using the salted butter. Then add cocoa powder. Now using a double boiler, melt all these ingredients. You can also do that in a microwave. For making double boiler, take hot boiling water in a pan and place the bowl of chocolate and butter over it, gradually melting your chocolate using a spatula. Once your chocolate has melted, set it aside so that the chocolate can cool down. Now in another bowl, add in your sugar, the castor and the brown sugar, and then add the flax egg. I've prepared it by adding 1 tablespoon of flaxseed powder and 3 tablespoons of water. Mixed it and have set aside so that it can thicken. Now add vanilla essence. Now mix everything properly with a hand whisk. Mix the sugar properly to get the crinkle effect on your brownies. Once done, now add the espresso shot. You can either use the espresso or make this using your hot boiling water and instant coffee powder. In another bowl, I'm going to add in my almond flour and protein powder. You can use any protein powder that you use. Now add in your chocolate and butter mixture into the flax egg and sugar mixture. All the ingredients with its measurement are given in the description box below along with their alternatives. Mix both of them together till the chocolate is nicely incorporated. Now add the dry ingredients into the chocolate mixture. Mix it properly with the help of spatula such that all the dry ingredients is properly incorporated in your chocolate mixture. Now add in your remaining espresso. Mix it well into the brownie mixture. Next, I am going to add in chocolate chips and chopped walnuts. You can either use the dark chocolate chips, milk, or the combination of both. Once done, I am going to pour this brownie mixture into my pre-lined 5-inch pan and bake it in an air fryer or an oven. Here I am going to bake it in an air fryer which is preheated at 170. Before that, I am going to top my brownies with more chocolate chips and put it in my air fryer. Once done, I am going to insert a skewer to check if my brownies are done. The batter should stick slightly to the skewer stick if you want the fudgy. Else you can bake it further and make your brownies a bit cakey. Once done, before slicing, I'm going to place my brownie in a refrigerator for an hour or two so that I can get nice, clean, sharp cuts. And using my knife, I'm going to slice into my brownies. Please hit the like button if you have liked watching our video. Also subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification icon, the bell icon, so that you can get notified each time a new video comes. I'm going to pick one piece and show you how fudgy they have baked. Do give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Spoiled by Coco.